Adhesive wax workholding for small metal parts. Prepare the adhesive wax heating table dewaxing agent. Turn on the heating table. Waiting for the heating table to preheat. Perform a clamping force test on a small diameter plug, 19 millimeters in diameter. The maximum temperature is set to 90 degrees Celsius. Now we can place the substrate and workpiece. The workpiece can be placed on the substrate or on the heating table. Heating the substrate and the workpiece. After 15 seconds, sense the temperature of the workpiece. It feels very hot to the touch. The optimal workpiece temperature is close to 90 degrees Celsius. Adhesive wax can now be applied to the surface of the substrate and the bottom of the workpiece. Gently move the workpiece by hand. Ensure full contact between the workpiece and the substrate. Start cooling the substrate and workpiece. A refrigerator can also be used to cool the workpiece. Wait until the workpiece temperature drops to ambient temperature. Turn on the switch of the vacuum workholding table. The substrate is quickly fixed by the vacuum table. The clamping effect was tested using a thrust meter. The Newtonian peak value of the clamping force will be recorded. The thrust reached 144 N and the workpiece did not loosen. The second workpiece withstood a lateral thrust of 153 N. Turn off the vacuum table switch and remove the substrate and workpiece. The substrate and workpiece are heated again. In order to separate the substrate and the workpiece. When the substrate temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, the workpiece can be easily separated. The workpiece can now be easily removed. Now we need to remove the wax from the surface of the workpiece. Pour dewaxing agent into the sink. Using a constant temperature water bath will result in better wax removal. Dewaxing agent at 60 degrees Celsius will have the best wax removal effect. Dewaxing agents can be replaced with kerosene.